Chiney yam. Yeah, I had a dream about these yams. So tell us, this is Chiney yam? Chiney yam. Yeah, I had a dream about these yams. Okay. So it has a lot of prickles. We call it maca right there. And it goes all the way down. What are these? We call them roots. So the roots have maca or prickles. So yes, you have to use a fork to do that. To loosen the soil up. But these yam, the Chiney yam, they're really good. They taste like Irish potato to me. So yes, farmer, thank you for allowing us to see how you do it. And while you're doing that, let's show you the vine. This is the vine of the Chiney yam. And you know when it is ready, when it starts going yellow, right? Or drying up? Yeah, when the leaves. Thank you, sister. The leaves start going yellow or brown. So yeah, okay. So that's wow. So yeah, it goes way up. Oh yeah, and that's still gone up to the top there. Yeah, coming down. And this is just one, is it just one vine? One. Huh? That's just one hill? Oh, okay. So there's more than one here. Yam hill. Oh, okay, and it go all the way?
Oh. You know, say, one old lady we used to take care of. And she give her a plant. Give her some food to eat.
Wow.
And she come and plant it. And plant this up. And a couple of years now, the sister died.
Wow. But it's always giving, so it's this yam is always giving. Chiney yam. Wow. Wow, it was in your slippers. That means you can't dig it with slippers.
That's why they not teeth if I
this yam is hard to steal. Well, it's well protected, eh? Chiney yam, well protected. And yes, we'll show you a video of how it looks when it's cooked. Yeah.
Like a protective barbed wire. This is the vine of the Chiney yam.
That's what you call maca.
Maca.
Now make the maca juke you. Or prickle.
Like barbed wire. Well protected yam.
Yeah man, tough protected. Teeth no teeth them yam there at all. So what's that? So that's the yam itself. So you have to know. Around here. You have to know how to dig yam. So we're learning from the farmers, the veterans. Oh, that looks like it's a big. That's a big yam right there. That's a big one.
Not so close, you know, I chop up the yam.
What's the? Well, you probably didn't. Be careful. Why you don't chop that? Chop that root.
Look here.
David.
Look here.
Chop that root.
You say macaron come down?
Yes, that's
right
very.
Down, you see?
Yeah.
See,
That's the maca right there. It's well protected. So right here, so is yam.
Yeah.
And it's well. So the maca is around the yam itself.
Right,
Right, this.
The whole of here, so.
The whole of this one, yeah.
All of this is yam, all of here.
Yam.
Wow. Well, we're looking forward to the results of after digging this thing.
Hold on, hold on.
So yeah, man, take that out. Wow. So you loosen that, but you do everything not to damage the yam itself.
That's a big one.
Yeah. So it can be stored with the dirt on it for a long time. Okay. So that's a big reap. How much is that? That's probably about 10 pounds.
Probably more. That's why me always stay like 2 years before me dig it.
Okay.
Because the longer you keep it in the earth, is the bigger the plants become.
Right. Thank you.
So you can get some short ones.
Yeah, this is a farmer.
That's gone to the time.
Farmer, you want to say hi to the viewers?
Hi.
He's a shy farmer. He's focusing on his work. But this look like renter though.
No,
this look like renter.
No, that is Chiney Yam.
Chiney Yam.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the time that it is kept in the earth.
Right, it's longer.
So
It's kept longer.
if I dig it every year, I get smaller food.
Yeah.
But when I dig it like 2 years time, the bigger the food become.
So it gets
And it is a yam that you can dig.
It's like springing. It's in the spring more.
Spring, yes.
Oh, okay.
Spring, go up and reproduce.
Awesome. That's a great life lesson. Sometimes we want things to happen right now. We just wait. We get more.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Let's see that one. Wow. Ooh.
See,
Awesome.
a big yam.
Yeah. So I tell you. See how it looks like potato? That look like
And
potato.
if you don't break the vine off,
Look like
you can
Irish
keep
potato.
it as long as ever.
The stem here.
Right.
Once you not break off, you can keep it as long as ever.
Oh, wonderful.
Right.
And then now, you need plant. You can plant back this for a seed there.
That's what you call what the slip.
Right. That's the
So we
vine.
start germinating already.
Right.
For
The next breed of yam.
Right.
Right.
Awesome.
And
Like
sometimes we
that's-
put it back
look
the
at that.
young one too.
Alright, see there.
Mm-hmm.
So you can cut off here, so.
And
When
just
you're
back.
ready to use it.
awesome.
Yeah.
So look, sometimes me put in back a lot of small ones back in the earth.
Okay.
And the
So
vines.
like these little ones, you would
Right,
put
they
them
go
back.
back in.
You can even make different hill with them.
Okay.
And the thing again too, you can take off all these small ones. All of these, you can take them off, make different hill, and you just set back these right here. You set it back, and it bear back same way.
Awesome. Awesome.
And you
So
can-
all of this, you're saying all of this right here is yam.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Chiney Yam. When you see it push up the earth, you know.
Okay. So
when
it tell you.
when it bear good,
Push up the earth. Puff up the earth.
Oh,
you
okay.
can see when then.
It's near. It's ready.
No, it's a good crop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's wow. That's another one.
And then it nice,
Yeah.
sweet.
That's why I dream about it.
All that to go back in there.
This one.
Yeah, that's
This one. 'Cause this look like it was springing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one to go back in there.
Well, we are gonna take some of it, some of the head, and plant
No, you had another part of the head you get.
the part where
the
you
round
plant.
one, the little round one.
Right, those.
Is what you plant.
Okay. No, he was saying that we could have plant here, so cut this part and
This look
plant.
like one of the
So let's go under there.
one of the old generation. This.
Wow.
Yeah, don't pop off it.
So this now away where we never dig
Okay.
last year or year before last.
Mhm.
So it's
See
still
him send off, see him send off.
it's still in one produce.
Mhm.
And then now you see it's still
Those are gonna go
even
down
though
now.
Yeah.
even though it's still a rotten away, but see it's still a produce.
Wow.
You shouldn't pop off your five
So
vine.
no, but you can make another hill.
You
with
can
this.
make another
Or if
hill.
you want
'Cause
to give
this is
somebody
the-
a plant,
This is the
you can give
original
it.
hill.
The original
basically.
bearing
Right.
from last year.
All right.
Or
So
year before last.
all right. So we're coming under.
Them off five vine cliff.
Just use yourself.
Yes. All right.
No, man. Pop off them the one there.
All right. Wow.
Just
So-
come on other side here. That's all.
So you don't hold on. So you don't want to. You don't want to dig at the top.
All them the one they make the papa kind.
Yeah, to the top. So that you're going to put those back. More, some of them we can plant. Alright. So look at that. So alright, so when you're cooking these, all you have to do, as I am told by our sister, is that you just wash it. You can use something to scour it. Preferably like a brush. Don't use any Scotch Brite because yeah, you want it to be organic as possible. And then you just cook it. You don't cut it. You don't need to cut it, right? Because it's soft. It's not hard to cook. Right. If you cut it, it's gonna break up. It's gonna mash up quickly. So you just put it right. You clean it off really good. You can use your knife to clean it off, but don't cut it. And then just put it in the pot. Yeah. Wash properly and it's good. So yeah. So you just, woo, look at that one. Look at that. That's awesome. That's a pretty one, man. Not take off all that dirt. Because we're not going to eat all of them one time. Keep some of the dirt them for them.
That's a one vine.
One vine.
Yeah.
Take that part out. That part where you just take.
This?
Yeah, just lift it up as you just did. Show me the other side, right? So this part show you that it should just go back in, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Wow.
This is one of the older generation.
Oh, okay. As the one that was down
This is
there.
one when
The original. Oh, as this. So these are some of the reaping of the Chiney Yam. I'm doing it like the farmers, trying to pack it up. You have to know how to
some
pack
have
it.
already taken out.
Yeah, some have already taken away. But these are what we're gonna put. This is what you would call the yammed, or what, the yam seed. You would put back in the ground. So you might be saying how these are so small, but we're gonna put them in the ground. So this is gonna look out for the next generation. So there you have it, Chiney Yam, and yes, it's really good. Special thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Salmon of St. Elizabeth, St. Bess. Thank you so much, our brother and sister, for these powerful lessons that you've shared with us in the Chiney Yam and so many other foods that we love and enjoy. Oh, how we enjoyed those yams. Thank you so much, my brother and sister, and God bless you and your family. This is your Monday Medz, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.